Siramo, inyamia mondo damo, oh yeah. And so, yeah, betla, oh vimo, inyamia, oh shirabe, yeah, kasi, yeah, yeah. Don't be one family. Yeah. No, yeah. Baby. Yeah. A Christmas one. Oh, yeah. Don't be really one family. Yeah. No, yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah. And Christmas one. Oh, yeah. Moma wo siramo amo domo oh yeah and no and so yeah better mo primo mia mo sirame yeah kasi don't be really one family. Yeah. No, yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah. Every somewhere. Oh, yeah. I'm bouncing. Don't be really one family. Yeah. No, yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah. Every somewhere. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Presbyterian hymn say, no one who says Sister Sandy neba. Christ asumje encounter Nankamuna and Nano Permanent Chefy Presbyterian Asafo. Emma Ghana Fogina Sunset and a Pemico devotion. Co-devotion. Sorry, bear for you could share school parko. Bobo, yeah, what I say. My soft friend me say, what is say, will be able to get him say, Papa Sofo. Obey man on that, Niande ya bromia, Tino. Yet the menu man obey, yet the menu. Meeting the Sandra or him, Ametiwa, you may Yamiado entertainment. I mean to Ghana for 3 more.
When you start sending her, where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Allah, me catch of, Joadane say, and question if ye dear. Ye bebo bon semno to say ya tell. Kosi say a moo ebejo. So we name the making. Brando Beyonce. And Sotium Jay-Z. Matters are rising. Ya so mame. Or send me the sumo. Now adia chena and call for a bomb punum. Sister Sandy dear near course a Sandy into world of entertainment then trendy. Na me kapa say me shronya me. Me Presbyterian ni. Me indin sekrubium. Ebe ha Ghana for P. Be how mo because fella ningina could dimensem. Inti ajanga ko pofa mo bone cheme. Se adia chibiem na wo baba ya. Mi bedin sekru. Hallelujah. Was mo boom. Thank you. Oh. na me catch am say me de nka enye adwuma pa nka me kwanka me ni mo bia
Oh, be the konkonsa.
igusu osmo ka me ni mo bia nye adwuma pa na me be hye mu a na nka me da so ye air hostess a enka me ni mo bia me na da o ka ade achi enka wasem de enka wodofo enka emfa me ho wahu ba ko ba ne say adwuma se mafa to me ho so say meye ni entertainment journalist me guso den asom o my Ghana enti aba mo ma me fan somo wate me da se bebre eno baroni Ghanaian female rapper woni ago nya ne ho me na say abaya na ati me ne mema sinkete bo atwede say na ye say yegina ye mahye wa kyensem mu ma me monitiawa na wonso etibi eno a wo ba ye sister station eno ma twetwen ko na say na eno ekaye.
You're not busy with what you do.
Yeah.
And you being this personality that you are. Yeah. What are some of the things that you personally do that gives you joy? If you're not on stage, if you're not rapping in the booth?
Listening to music. And yeah, music is like, I'm music. Music is me. I've never woken up a day without music. So I like listening to music a lot. I like writing. Yeah.
Oh, you love writing?
Yeah, because most of my videos, I'm part of like scripting and everything. So I like writing. I like looking for like images and stuff. I have one stubborn dog and one stubborn cat, so I'm always with them. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
It. I'm really an introvert, so
yeah, you are.
I have fun when my dancers, my girls are in my house. You know, that's my fun.
Me also quite me introvert. I easy my introvert for no. So ferry ade pa na umpekasa na adwuma ye pian say edin. Obi oni mi bia be ka kiro. Obi ameto aso. Na menim ne enti a me producer amampoma. E de abna kwakwa aka me stories ho. Ye ni abre ye ne hia ama asafo Awurade ama Ghana man. Ade achi wasa abna kwakwa me den. Amampoma what made na we koye no was saying dear no person will catch wadaroma abna na fa account no ama na fa account mo mi ntie bia no information ye be so mu dia manenko.
I love medical so much. I love Fela so much. You know, Fela is a good friend. We are not best of friends. We don't call each other all the time. Same with medical, but I don't know what is going on in their home. Let's support them with prayers. Let's support them with love. Let's be very cautious about how we talk about people's marriages. Marriage is so difficult. Marriage is challenging. I've not been married before, but I've dated a lot of married men and a couple of married women. So at least I have first hand. Anything I worry, any main prayer on ye. Me pa worry ya febo. Me worry ya. Na me pengu class divorce conversation baby.
Wahima. Na de that's what free him na who sing wo kwa pa na say. E dey say no, would him say one person divorce but na wo no. Who breaking go for the no. No, I will be so be wire I near my own intem. Na fa colors na to dwum na hu say e peach and green na ye permission bejawo. Why? Na wonim say ensema ekoso na kwando Beyonce ne sotium Jay-Z nsem ni na eso anipa ba akoso a wo mche on ekopa ase siga no e ma ba ya ne no me. Okay. Oh, Brakwesia, D Brak na Ghana for the sobo no ebo ne se di ne club ase e na pass ade no e ma oware ni no na so D Black so ne nsem atomonten se oware ni no nya akwala oware ni no e ba ne club oware ni no na okura ni na ade dada intimacy mo on do man lighter ye kro bodo ade ye kro bodo I tell you, I said, what pass? Muamuka on a man. I said, what pass? She asked me to help light her own cigar. Saba? She bought or not to you. Then I said, oh, I really know. Eba club and I said, no, I really need cra. Adiane dada. Ne mum, sekania, mama mokania and shen when you pemude. Di ne pasum, asem ni tia when in any. Timesremo, Moamu say di black dina munchason. Munchason. No dear, light no so or pasum. But so no, that the other man, you'll buy no credit. Wait, we who conversation. I ask some more. I am masumwa. Any masumwa. Eti di enya kasa die na yengo ensem no eso. Okay, nyumwe. Jatu mame. Sister Derby. And you were born 5 years ago. Enya abatum. And okay, snap. Pando so ye series bi yolo bisa no it say no yakeka abomu a onuadofo wasumu a.
Oh me, I'm calm. She no do me harm. They pay me give cause you go take do whatever. You say whatever. Yo, be enta, be no bana whatever. Adom, we ain't free. Don't lie to me. So one dom ya time. Don't lie to me. Men dada me. Don't lie to me. So one dom ya time. Don't lie to me. Boom boom. Don't lie to me. So one dom ya time. Don't lie to me. Men dada me. Don't lie to me. So one dom ya time. Don't lie to me. Adom, we ain't free.
Ghana for enya wo odofo Ahosepe munsuo bibia be fine. Ghana for enya wo odofo se wanya aginkwa bi ambe twa trend ni ma obe trend ya che papa. Da wo trend empire abebo ne se obi fa ne ho magim na titim bohema obeda number 1 chart no so ache. Na mo ya mani nkana tutu wa samba no akofa we no afa we ade ahia boyaka na mo de mane yate whatever obia whatever na yento aso na no penyuma meto ama kwando Beyonce ani sotium Jay-Z etia Presbyterian hymn adentina maya hunfu seye na muntu mi kasanchere pon frama awo epon frama tedin ngana boko wate mangana boko because unti min kasanchere pon frama se engedi ebebura fawo te mangana boko mo my information mo se na adwuma na ba me so mabre mo fanto form wate edamase bebre se na no so obedi jatu mu ya eda number 1 trend on Twitter nya kwandom ne be yi obedi anko obedi da number 1 on Twitter wa X ne so se beef a obedi akwa nyane so obedi te hono mu a was rap ni mai di ma min kenya na se 1 month as with me ma mu so ema ewie mu ye hye wa be chirim se on se enyom no bobo nkrofo pd ho most rappers be bring so air fight on behalf of Obede. Osmo round of applause for all rappers holding the game. Eti Obede chemwa etia. Very short. Konsa de udi na wa nye bibi kra nye de. Eti munti emra. Why? Munti emra.
Exactly what you just said. It's quite funny. I don't understand what is happening, but I love it because it's great PR. You can't even pay for this. You know, Waze, David, and Benna would never think I want to jab them, because if I want to jab somebody, it has to be rappers. They are not rappers. Exactly what you said. I'm just talking to rappers about how long I've been there and who else is best to use as reference. Let's say you're talking to the world. These are the best people to know that everybody knows Wizkid, everybody knows Burna Boy, everybody knows Black Sherif, Asake, Davido. So, and it's very true. I was there, Wiz came in, David came in, Burna Boy came in, Asake, Black Sherif. It's just references of how long I've been there. It's not throwing jab at anybody. These are incredible, amazing artists. Black Sharif is my boy. Do you think I would jab Black Sharif? No. But to be very honest, I wouldn't like to even clear this because I like the energy that's going, you know. It's not true, but you're loving it, you know, and there's a lot of trends. It's making next Friday looking very beautiful for me because people want to listen to the project.
Quick, I've been walking through the 6 with my... Thought I told you corny niggas said they can't call. Some are charging the battery and I'm ready to go. Started with a couple niggas, but them all be cold. Few people rapping my way, we never...
And I thank God, you know, I was talking to somebody yesterday, I said, even if you sat down...
Yeah, but you better say, see what you saw my... No crying so dear. Send a penny for boo, no, as I'm no crying to Sebi. O wom, no, young Corbett, no, no. Maybe I'm say, and easy said you might be trim decade into a small run of applause for the one and only landlord. It's where ye be at home. We are rapper now, June, who dear, also far dear tune, na fan who jet trending him. A baby will carry it because ye see or more good no at this time. Me cry no, me anyway, Nakasa sound engineer, so mammy dear Moshi, me major to my major minion to some obi and me Sister Sandy. Okay, me and I'm kind me boy. Yen to us. What is it said you baby? There's a young man Kwana. Ye, a man my crown so dear Abba. What you say, wouldn't me? I say me so soon. Sabita frache. Maybe I know what pump him up. What to say, my boss, I'm peddling. Maybe I be so near me also. Nah. Se said you ba P square nefa Peter Eche Yaquino. He's showing us the way. Say ebia aye na over say so aye true. Ebia so aye true na be say ebia don't suffer oti bibia. He's showing na ti ampedu wa ba akwa ba o show ye way no Peter manenko.
The extraction part is done. We have about 2,400. All right?
Correct.
And it's time to eat my food. You can see the view. All right? I feel better 100%, so nothing to worry about. Just look good for you guys. All right? Make care. Thank you very much.
One time, take a moga. For who? Hey, I didn't know where I'm when I was that. Mama May, we are doing for you, as I saw more bar. No more hanging now, see who balu, no more nine. I yet to say, yeah. As a person, dear Chabalu, no more bassa. See, doctors, master Tamunyan ye, mommy and leg surgery. Emma, one no more acquire Hano, 1 year move a months from Preco. What? Mobro, more bread. Hey! Yeah, can come room who croup a woman where. Hey! Yamin come on, ya dear 2 flats, Benanti. What do you say? Can I buy a miss swearing a minimum upon her? Yeah, can't say, ma, may many a bra. Many man for Ghana for Casa Monte Sageness or more. You don't carry him. This one, you don't just bleach you. Or you don't, this one, you don't bleach your soul. Or you don't bleach all your bones. Or more. You are not the same again. This one are ghosts. You don't change house. You don't change the house in paint. Omo, that Sister Sandy be my name. I don't talk from Ghana. I don't fear anything, Omo. You don't bleach your soul. You don't bleach your cry. This is serious. We don't feel recognize you now. Get no trust in me. Or Nigeria. I am in Thomas. You move. Why in the tomb of us? I'm going to way. Because what the why she share no what's our opinion na nyame ama ule ya no wakọ why back what's a summary papa get somebody make he explain to you it's on when you or show crowd no to me hey mama why you sheneba
it's going on how let me start again. So guys, that one's always going on how. Let me start again. So guys, that one's always going on how. Let me start again.
Your body not just go pain you.
So guys, that one's always going
he go born. Better show. Hey, now the yeah, my Ghana ni being a mistake. So koi, but said the best yachting about book room. Yeah, your sister back we cry say a filter. I know quite a good sushi a filter, and you who now the filter and an antia. Now there will be a mistake. Now, uncle what panye be nasa some my break room. Or him, ya the Amazon to see a brimono. Hey, I don't know. I didn't know much unquale. I did to be on one or two pan was shut enough for none of the sister, but one and I saw Cassandra noisy. I don't know, pay. Or him not pay. Hey, young Chasuna mem home, go me jina. Jabwa ya promi a mingem weirdo. There's a maiden. And why you? One pen creno. Cannot get when you're town for near, and I look at my men that threatening. My catch was a half our number free. A year phone no call and a half our number every. What? I want me bush you call out I mention and I couldn't do. Menana, what's in what war her the day and day, Omina, while at the few hodoma, made Xiaomo. What's a aha? It's Brad James can make pong. What's an anna me didn't come or say mema break. I may catch us a mamma may encounter a mema emotions and she may say, you are a man, there be. Moka when a mema a win temnancy. Mama Moncasa. James Gardner, such a fine gentleman. Then right now, so we expect to saw the picture we were 2 age, ya far pussy in any other. But Brad James Chima or Fem, we not Troy. I didn't so wow. Well, see, I was going to keep it simple, but I've got a lot on my mind. I just feel I need to vent out. I need to talk to someone. Yo, homo, anyone, mini. My heart is heavy. It's my birthday, but I don't know where my main trust with you. Me trust with you, Barney Chima. Or your bema or try so bebobra, or try so beherneba. Or your bema or coba, or je bibi. Or your bibi are not failing. Or your bibi are not failing. You big companies out there, and Sadan say most or you're very fine. Well, the year you may be our mocker. He is very hardworking and ready to work. So it's me a babon saying abekasa. Me pese we no me who so obi control and you are a man you are say yani abre abante nakasa. And to people close to him, but you won't keep your eye on him for me. Why? I don't for a morning che. James, if not for anything, for the sake of your boy, keep going. I know you're a strong man. We love you so much. Nyamin kan love and light to you. Meme femo se ma krade. Mo mutimi fa fun furu bi. Wo fa bi. Wo papa bi. Na be ma de okofre hwan. Oh, meme wa bontin ho nyina wo fa bi bi mu no. Anope nyamin ya oboafo. Anope nyamin ma wa hoden. Na wo your baby na wo be man chen na o femu a. This is not the time I be tian no. Wo be kikem debi. Bro ho ase. Na ebuno. Me the sister Sandy be a guy. Me pon dey see papa so for her master Israel wa ha. Kenos Moses e wa ha. Na me fa happy birthday in advance. Emma papa 1. Papa so for. Ya me insha wo kuma se wo South Central Buffers ka for amantem ase honom na kwahwehwe prophet mame me so pare onfa enhu keme e wa ha. Papa ni atu prophet amwa nyameche ewo kumase na za kwasi ada de asori ho ebebu afa so papa nyame nhira mo pa ji adwuma pa we wo nyame adwuma mu no ye do e ho na nshoma season 6 when no efri na echemu akra ne kra ebefri kumase na papa so for education kom se obefa kruwa to wo kumase de a boru asori ho efa mame happy birthday in advance. Next one if we abna pokua hwene ho o sister Fati wo nipa dodo the way I wo bro ho ase the way I wo dono the way I Jenny MP, man, no, Sister Fati, any. Abnas me ma happy birthday. Kasia Tanta Labuti, dear mu Eden pa. Nyame inshallah. Happy birthday. We love you. Birthday wishes are coming if you're at the best summer. Well, by Kofi and Peru, with Germany, about Alice Guts, Sarah Parry, and Che. Sarah Parry and Chenes Wapakuniama. Now I joy honum. Yes, we are to us. So I'm my producer. I'm the guy's queen. Yami yaj my information where she be. My boss abedi me koje perfume. Fabum. Boza yakao.